ba nila ng hustisya? Nabigyan po ba nila ng hustisya?
Yes, sobra. Galing.
Your thoughts on the entirety of the series?
Oh, parang ilang beses ko na nasabi na super happy ako sa cast, sa crew, kay Direk, sa writers, kay Sir Alex. So, thank you so much po. Parang mataas din yung expectation ko, pero sobrahan pa talaga, like, sobrang thank you. Super excited ako sa DAP. Just know po na sobrang pinaghahandaan po namin to, Direk ng writings, Sir Alex ulit. Tsaka si Alice and si Angela and si Robin, and of course the whole cast of Seducing Jake Palma. Yan. Sana po abangan niyo yung book 2.
Abangan talaga yan for sure. And suffice it to say, talagang nalagpasan yung expectations nating lahat through the roof. Simulan natin with Rafa and then with Robin and Angela last, no? Okay, so Rafa, ano yung pinaka-mamimiss mo about shooting this one? I'm sure na isa to sa mga milestone sa career mo so far.
Syempre yung banding namin. Kahit hindi man kami kompleto sa set, pero hindi pa rin mawawala yung banding namin lahat. Cast, staff, kay Direk, syempre mamiss ko si Direk. And ayun, see na lang po sa book 2. Marami pa tayong aabangan. Yes!
Yan, thank you po sa mga nagbukas ng house lights. Maaninaw ang kagwapuhan at kagandahan.
Yeah, ganun din with Rafa, yung bonding din for season 3, you know. SDP is one of those shows where, at least for my character, you gotta be in a good mood when you're portraying certain characters, and I love that bit of playing Ken. And it definitely helps, especially with the people who I work with them in Mudia, and I'm grateful to be busy with these people around me. So, and season 2 about yan, really good. Is Derek here? Is he?
No.
No. I mean, I was gonna say that's how you end the show right there.
Yeah.
Previous Seducing Jake Palma.
You still haven't answered my question, Alice. You still feel the same?
Yes.
Have you forgotten how it feels like to be in love with him?
Ayun, same din po.
Naligaw ko na si Alice.
That I'm really gonna miss about
Ano naman sa'yo, diba?
Seducing Jake Palma is
You like her?
the bonding with the entire cast.
Good luck.
Para po talaga
She likes breaking
family
hearts.
outside. And I'm just really honored na naging part po ako nito. I'm excited for the next season. Excited po ako na maging kakampi kayo. At ikaw. Yes! Hindi na kayo makinig sa akin next season. And ayun, I'm just so proud of you guys. And the entire team po. Congrats po to everyone. And thank you guys to all the supporters of Seducing Jake Palma. Thank you so much. Wait, what's the question?
Ano yung pinaka-mamimiss mo about shooting? I know this was an integral part of your career so far, so could you let us know? The crowd, yeah.
Ang pinaka-mamimiss ko po sa taping is yung chocolate po ni Direk. And then mamimiss ko po syempre kasama po yung mga co-actors ko, si Robin, of course, si Miss Anna, and of course, ang saya-saya lang po sa feeling na tapos na po. Robin lang mismo.
Kaya nga, siya lang may special mention.
Okay, mamimiss ko po si Rafa, si Frost, si Sarah, si Yumi. And mamimiss ko po silang lahat, and wala na po akong masabi, basta sobrang happy ko lang po, and nalulungkot din ako at the same time kasi this is a chapter closed. Pero don't worry kasi meron naman pong DIP!
So, mamimiss mo silang lahat, pero higit sa lahat si... Ay! Parang gano'n na nga.
Ano makakasama ko naman?
Ay! Oo, tila ba parang hindi rin nawalay sa isa't isa. Ayan, Robin, take it away. Oo.
Ano nga ulit? Sorry.
Were you lost in her eyes, pare? You were lost in her eyes. Grabe. Enchanted. So, ano yung pinaka-mamimiss mo? Oo, pre.
Pinaka-mamimiss ko syempre samahan namin sa set. Diba? Sobrang solid, parang
walang toxic sa amin. Kami lahat happy lang, everyday. Everyday, parang lagi ang saya namin, lagi sabay-sabay kami kumakain. Yun yung pinaka-miss namin. Lahat ng tao sa set, sobrang love na love ko sila. Lahat sila. Love din namin. Love din namin kayo. Love you guys. Love you. Wala akong masabi na kinikilig ako sa...
Okay, kitang-kita naman na ang dami nagmamahal sa inyo. So round of applause naman dyan, guys. Habang pababa kami dito. Tara guys, baba tayo dito. Opo, if you guys can accompany me. Oo.